This is a certified pre-owned 2011 GMC Acadia. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a power rear lift tailgate, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than an ordinary used vehicle. A GM certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPL maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. This GMC has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.